Imagine yourself by a campfire, under the stars, roasting hot dogs, and for dessert, s'mores. If you like that experience, then I have the cookie for you, and I'm going to share it with you. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you my s'mores cookie recipe, where we're going to take graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate and make a tasty treat. The ingredients that you will need are 2½ sticks of unsalted butter, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of light brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of roughly chopped graham crackers, 1 cup of mini marshmallows cut in half, 2 cups of milk chocolate chips. And to top our cookies when they come out of the oven, we have a cup of graham crackers chopped, a cup of chocolate bars chopped, and a cup of mini marshmallows cut in half. To mix our ingredients together, I'll be using my KitchenAid stand mixer fixed with my paddle attachment, a large bowl, a spatula, and a whisk. Now let's go ahead and preset our oven to 375 degrees. We're going to start by adding our butter to our bowl. Now we're going to add our granulated sugar to our butter, and we're going to go ahead and cream that together. Let's mix it up. Now we're going to go ahead and add our light brown sugar to our mix. Let's mix it up. Now I'm going to take my spatula and I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl to make sure the butter and both sugars are well incorporated together. Let's mix it up. Now we're ready to add the eggs to our cookie dough. And what I like to do is I like to crack my eggs into a separate bowl. So if there's a bad egg or the shell falls in, it falls into my separate bowl and not my cookie dough. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix that 1 egg up together well. Let's mix it up. And now I'm ready for my second egg. Let's add it to the cookie dough. And let's mix it up. Now we're going to add our vanilla to our cookie dough. And let's mix it up. Now we're going to scrape down the sides of our bowl to make sure everything is well incorporated. And we're also going to make sure we get the bottom of the bowl as well. Let's mix it up. Now we're going to go ahead and add our baking soda, baking powder, and our salt. And we're going to take our whisk and mix it all together. Now we're going to go ahead and add our flour into our bowl, a little bit at a time. Let's mix it up. Let's add a little bit more. Let's mix it up. And let's go ahead and put the rest of the flour into our bowl. And let's mix it up. Now we're going to remove all of our cookie dough off of our paddle attachment. Now we're ready to fold in our chocolate chips, marshmallows, and graham crackers. Using my ice cream scoop that's about 5 tablespoons, I'm going to go ahead and scoop out my cookie dough and place it onto my parchment lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. In order for my cookies to bake in the oven and have the perfect shape, I'm going to place my thumb on top of each one of my cookies. And now, for my cookies not to spread in the oven, I'm going to chill my cookies for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Now we're ready to bake our cookies for 10 minutes in the oven. Now that our cookies are out of the oven, they're ready to be topped with graham crackers, marshmallows, and Hershey bars. I'm going to start with our graham crackers. Placing them on top of each cookie, just pressing it down into our cookies. Now I'm going to move on to our Hershey bar, adding it on the top of each cookie. And now to add our marshmallows on top. To give my cookies the true campfire feel, I'm going to use my torch to go ahead and toast the top of our cookies. Now we're ready to move our cookies from the baking tray onto our cooling rack to completely cool down. And now it's time to taste our tasty treat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.